Welcome. In front of me is Gateway Ultra Slim 71517 laptop, and in this video I will show you how to restart this device. So the most common way to do that is by pressing the start button and selecting power options and selecting restart button right here. Sometimes it will be update and restart if your device requires an update. Now if you can't use this method, then you can use the force restart option, and to do that you have to press and hold the power button of your device until the indicator above your power button turns off. Usually it takes 10 to 15 seconds of holding the power key. Keep holding it for a while, and once your laptop shuts down, all you have to do is press the power button once again to make it turn on, and then wait until it boots up. And that's basically how you restart your laptop. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.